So a week ago I brought some parts, a Raspberry Pi 0W, a game hat with a screen on it, and a Raspberry Pi 0W case. So what I thought I could do with all those parts is make a 3-episode series of making a game console. Hello guys, welcome to part 2, Assembling the Screen. So here we are, the bag for the screen has arrived, and surprisingly it looks like it's a Waveshare product, and I've really had some trouble with Waveshare in the past year. So here's their website. Let's have a look and see what I brought on Waveshare. So yeah, I brought another product from Waveshare. I'm surprised that screen was a Waveshare product. And the item I brought was a game hat, and it's this one right here, this game hat for the Raspberry Pi 3. It was a really nice product for the Raspberry Pi 3, and I would recommend it, but unfortunately the LCD broke, and that was after 1 week of use. I did try to contact their support, but unfortunately they never got back to me. But anyway, let's get back to the video. So here we are, this is me trying to get in the box, and we'll see what we can find inside the box. So when I first opened the box, I saw a packet of screws, and it had some nuts in it and stuff to help to fix it together. Last and not least, you have the Waveshare screen. So here we are, as you can see, this is the Waveshare screen, and as you can see we've got the pins. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over and we're going to see what we can find on the other side. So this Waveshare screen has a 240 by 240 pixel resolution, the same resolution as a robot called Cosmo. And there you can see me being reflected, and you can also see scratches on the screen. Those scratches are actually from the pre-applied screen protector, and we'll get on with that later. Okay, let's talk about the screen protector. So if I just peel off the screen protector for you guys, as you can see, it's actually not scratched. The screen is intact and it's literally brand new. It's just the screen protector. And as you can see, it's also got a little label on it, so you can easily pull it off. Now let's talk about the controls. So as you can see, there's the analog stick, and we can pull it left, right, up and down. You can also press on it. Then we've got 3 keys, and basically the keys will allow you to control your game or RetroArch or whatever. So let's now get on with the installation process. So first of all, we'll need to open up the bag of screws, and before installing it, I wanted to play around the case and see if it would fit the screen. After fiddling about with the case and tampering around with it, I soon realised that I could not use the top half of the case. So it looks like it was back to the drawing board for me. And that didn't work either, and I soon realised it was because there was 2 screw holders on the bottom of the case, and I needed a way where I can remove them. Now I needed to first remove the case so I could take a look at those screw holes, and I tried doing it with a SD card, and that definitely did not work. And I tried doing it with my fingernails, it still didn't work. It was very tough to take off the case without the screws. Then I tried using a screwdriver, and that didn't work either. But then I took out my very untrusty watch tool, and the reason why I done that, because it looked like it could pry off something like this. So when I tried it, it literally just came off easily without any damage done. Okay, so the method I chose to remove the screw holes was to use a drill. So first of all, I needed to mark where I was going to drill to remove the screw holes. So there we go, I have marked the first screw hole and I've also marked the second screw hole. So now it's time to go outside and start the drilling process. Before we do, we need to prepare a tray or surface we can take the items outside on. So I've wiped down a tray and I'm going to put all the components on it and the stuff I'm going to drill. So let's get out the screen, the case, the Raspberry Pi Zero W, the screwdriver, the pencil, the watch tool, and the screws. Right, it's now time to start up the drill, and I wasn't really used to the drill as I haven't used one in a while, so really I kept on slipping it and sliding it, and I may have damaged the case. After getting used to the drill again, I actually done it properly and the drill didn't slip. Once I've drilled halfway through the plastic, I used my watch tool to pry off some of the stuck plastic. As I was halfway there, I needed to continue drilling. After drilling for a while, it almost looked perfect, but I needed to pry off some more plastic, which was stuck on the shell. Then I applied some sandpaper to it and gave it a quick clean. Now it was time to drill the other screw holder. And then I've tried to pry some more plastic off. Then I started to finalise the project. So there you go guys, I have successfully drilled out the hole, I sanded it, and basically the plastic is all clean and it really looks amazing. In the next episode, I am going to be installing the case and the shell and the game console, and we're going to be seeing if it works. Spoiler alert, it didn't go to plan, and I had to contact support. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and consider subscribing. Make sure you comment below what videos you would like to see. Thanks for watching Tech Network. I'm Sam. See ya.